Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get Etched Runes in Archero 2 game. So there are a few ways how you can get Etched Runes. I will talk about them, but before I will get the Etched Runes, you need to unlock the Etched Rune spaces, guys. I mean, when you go to equip and then go to the runes section right here, you see this 3 spaces which are locked. So we need to unlock these 3 spaces and we need to put each runes right here. So how to unlock this spaces? You need to equip all of the empty spaces with runes, and you need to make all of the runes epic, guys. So as you can see, this rune is fine. So you need to make all of the runes epic, guys. Once you will make all of the runes epic, then you will be able to place each runes right here, guys, right these spaces. Then you can go to the shop, and here you will see some special offers. For example, here are wonderful lantern gifts, and if you buy, for example, this pack, you will get Arrow of Echoes Etched Rune, guys. So this costs around $60. So you can just buy Etched Runes in the shop, or you can just participate in some random events. So there are some events you can participate and get Etched Runes, guys. So that's how you can get Etched Runes in the game, and that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.